Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need an account and an API key, so create one and save that key in an environment variable now. Once done, install the provider SDK or CLI on your machine. Make sure your runtime matches the SDK requirements. Next, choose an audio format, WAV, MP3, or Opus, and set the sample rate, for example 24,000 HC, because that determines quality and compatibility with your client app. Now you're ready to request synthesis. Now configure the voice and text so output sounds natural. Choose a voice profile, gender, age, or a named model, and pick a style that fits your use case, because voice choice affects clarity and user trust. Prepare your input as plain text or SSML to control pauses, emphasis, and pronunciation. Use short sentences for long passages. Then set speaking rate, pitch, and volume, and decide on chunk length for streaming large texts to avoid timeouts and memory spikes. Finish by integrating speech into your app. Synthesize a short sample, confirm sample rate and encoding, and measure latency. Once validated, add caching for repeated phrases and prefer streaming synthesis for interactive features to reduce wait times. Deploy with environment variables for keys and monitor quotas. If things go wrong, first verify your API key and account quota. Then check network connectivity and ensure client playback sample rate matches the file. Mismatched rates are a common audio issue and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.